Okay, so we got the windshield on. There's no directions that come in this package, but I'm going to show you what it does. It's really not that hard. There's these little brackets. You're going to put them around. The only thing is you do have to press in on both sides to put the washer and the nut on. Put them all on loose. So you've got one there, one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. And of course, this part tilts up. This goes on the bottom. Ignore the fact that there's an extra flap here. One of them's to hold it up. One of them's to keep it down, depending on which mode you want it in. So once they're all on loosely, you can go ahead and tighten them all up. So this is where you want get a couple tools out so you can tighten up each piece. While you're installing it, keep the film on, even though you will have to kind of tear it around these just to protect your windshield, so you know, it doesn't get ruined while you're screwing things in and everything. Okay, go ahead and remove your plastic covering once you've got everything tightened. And of course there's plastic on both sides, so it's very satisfying. Whee! Okay, so this is what it looks like. It fits really well. This is the Mule 4010 EPS. You can flip this up and this plastic piece holds it up. There's one on the other side. And if you do that, this will open with clearance. So you can see it's cleared, and then we can put it back down and flip this back down. And then this is just curves around. It's just a little rubber piece. Okay. No issues. Lots, very clear.